So hi there folks, this is Margaret Klein and I am coming to you live from 5120 Volusia Avenue. As you can see, I got a nice pretty newer roof up there. It is a 2024 and I intentionally locked the house up so I could not get antsy and want to bring you inside because I am doing an outside sneak peek today so that I can convince you want to come take a look at this house. So we are going to travel around the outside of the house while I talk about it, and hopefully you will want to come see the inside. So we are on city water here, folks, but we do have a well system over here for the irrigation system. We do, of course, have that 2024 roof. We've got a 2025 AC unit, and that AC unit has an inverter heat pump, and it's a Trane, which means it's super quiet, folks. Super quiet, super efficient. Not sure the best way to show you this patio, but you're just gonna have to take my word for it that this patio is amazing. It runs the entire length of the house, all the way down. So that is super cool. So we got a fence on this side, we've got a fence on the back. So we're not completely fenced, but we do not need a lot of fence to finish it in. That mango tree there does need to revive itself, but I'm sure it's in the process of mending with our gorgeous sunshine we have. So this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split floor plan home has 3 very nice sized bedrooms. There's that gorgeous Trane AC that is new. And with these 3 2-bedrooms, we have both bathrooms that have a tub and a shower combo. The primary bedroom does have a very nice, huge walk-in closet. We've got a family room and a formal living room. We have a formal dining room. We have a kitchen with granite countertops and with quite a few new appliances. It's got the stove, the microwave, and the refrigerator, and the washing machine that are all new. So lots of new items. As you can see, we've got a camera. Not sure if you can see it, but we got a camera there. We got a camera there. There's about 10 cameras all around the house, and those are staying with the home. So folks, I am hoping at this point you're like, Margaret, we want to see the inside of the house. And you know what? We can make that happen. All you have to do is call or text myself, Margaret Klein, or if you have an agent already, please feel free to give your agent a call. Any of us would love to get you into this gorgeous home before it is gone. So my number is 321-480-7662. Again, I'm at 5120 Volusia Ave here in Titusville, Florida. Super cute, super nice little neighborhood. I'll give you a quick spin so you can see everything is looking good here. And give you a quick look that way, not trying to hide anything. This is a super quiet, super nice little road. My number again, 321-480-7662. House is 5120 Volusia Avenue here in Titusville, Florida. My number, 321-480-7662. Your favorite Space Coast realtor, Margaret Klein, signing off here in Titusville, Florida. You have an amazing day.